YouTube, listen up. We got something in the mail. I don't know what this is. I don't know where this is from, but we gonna open it up. We got this one, and we also got this one. This one's the heaviest. Let's see what this one is. Hopefully it's not a clothing brand. Please. Ooh. Okay, we got another Rebel. We got another pair of Instincts. And we got another pair of Clipper Instincts. And I didn't get this one. These black ones right here. What is these? The Saber? Alright. And then we got blades. Alright. And I need to talk to y'all about this blade right here. This blade right here. Take off your gold blade and put on this blade, this black blade right here. Because the gold ones get too hot. It definitely get too hot. And these ones, I tried it. I ended up switching them. I switched them on all my my other ones, and they don't even get that warm. You know what I mean? So if you got the gold blade, switch to the black one. Gamma, Stylecraft. Appreciate you guys for sending these over. I'm probably gonna do like a giveaway on these two, cause I already got like two, but maybe not this one. Maybe not this one. I'm gonna try this one out, test it out, see what it do. Yeah, we out. Peace. YouTube, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is pick the hair out first. What this does is it lifts the hair off of the scalp, making it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blade. Alright you guys, so my client wanted a wavelength, so I went ahead and grabbed my number 1 guard with the lever fully open using my Stylecraft Instincts, and I'm just going with the grain. Now the way I'm basically deflowering his head, now you don't have to do this way, all right? This is just me creating a unique thumbnail and just getting you guys to click on the video. Let's just keep it real, you know what I'm saying? You could just take the guard and basically go with the grain. You don't have to start at the crown like I'm doing and opening it up, you know what I mean, and doing all that extra stuff. This is just me being creative, trying to create a thumbnail, like I said. But one thing I want to let you guys know is that not everybody, when they say wavelength, not everybody is a 1.5 guard. You know what I mean? It all depends on what texture you're dealing with to find out what your client's wavelength is. So my client wanted a taper, so I'm gonna grab my Babyliss FX trimmers and set my bald line right at the tip of my client's ear. Next, I'm gonna use my Stylecraft Instincts with the lever fully open, going up about a ½ inch, making sure I brush down as I go. Putting on the 1 guard with the lever fully open, I'm doing the same exact thing, going up about a ½ inch, making sure I brush as I go, going over that guidelines, using my corners as much as possible. Next, putting on the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm just kind of debulking that top area, not really setting in a guideline, just making sure everything flows into that one that I have on top. So I like to work back down using the guard, but just with the lever closed, I'm softening up that middle line. All right, using my 1 guard with the lever fully closed. This is not gonna take out the line. This is just gonna soften it up, making it easier to come behind it with the next step. Putting on my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now keep in mind, I'm using my corner the entire time. I'm not really using that other corner of the blade because this is a small area. Now sometimes the 0 guard close just doesn't take it out. So what I do is I'll open my lever and basically use my corners to get the rest out. And this is basically just detailing as I go. Now with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now remember, I'm using my corners the entire time and I'm adjusting my lever as I go up. So what sets you apart is detailing your work, all right? Detailing your work is super important. What I like to do is I like to refer to the mirror, meaning I like to glance at the mirrors, check and see how the haircut is coming out. What the mirror does is that it gives you a different perspective on the blend that you can't see just head on, all right? So make sure you utilize your mirror and then go in and start doing some corner work using your blades, basically using them as thinning shears, going into those bulk areas where you see bulk and kind of dispersing those hairs up. me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.